Hey guys, November 11th, 2025. My name is Milo. This is kind of new to me. I'm going to be starting a YouTube channel, sharing my thoughts, my ideas, my trades, etc. Just a way for you guys to kind of learn how I've been succeeding in the market, um, and how you guys can potentially grow your capital too. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to be doing these videos daily. Um, Not really sure where I'm trying to take this, but just one day at a time, we'll see how we can do this. So, um, honestly, bit of an expectation breaker today. The Nasdaq gave back yesterday's entire bounce, and we ended lower. So, honestly, the market is fine here. Objectively, we just not really the most friendly trading environment for my style. Um, I would like a big correction here. Probably not going to get one. I don't know, but I just want to reset the charts, um, flush out, people, weekends, whatever. Give us a nice correction, and then we can rally back or whatever. Um, but right now, I'm not really too sure where this is headed. But yeah, let's just head into what I thought looked interesting going into today, but nothing really triggered. I thought Planet Labs was interesting over yesterday's highs. Just to pick up on the downside today. Hood had earnings, I thought, yesterday, and I thought it'd be interesting today over the yesterday's high, but just an all-day fade. Didn't even bounce today. Didn't even try to attempt to bounce. Um, Tesla, I thought maybe over yesterday's highs, but nope. I did not get situated into this. It just kind of faded. ARM, I thought it was interesting above the 20 simple moving average, but just rejected it and straight to the 50 on a pickup in volume. Um, Today I made a big mistake. I oversized on SoFi twice. This has never happened to me, but today something just wasn't really. I'm not sure what happened today, but I shouldn't even be sizing up in this market. But that's what I get, for being undisciplined sometimes. Which honestly, it's been so long since I've done something like this, which I want to talk about. So SoFi, I bought this as a flat base breakout over the as a 5 minute opening range break. I got in like $30.20. It pushed 40 cents from my average. I was like, oh, nice. Maybe it's going to move. Just stops me right out. I have my stop at low of day. And then again, I got long, try to get long here. Was getting positioned. And I says nope. And, that's a quick way to lose 1.5% of your account. So I'm not happy about that. Gonna be gonna be honestly taking tomorrow off, Friday off. Will still check in with the video, but just no trades for me. Don't really see anything worth trading either way. Um, we can go over some other things. I thought Lemonade was interesting yesterday as an episodic or a gap and go on earnings, but no push today. Just kind of the environment we're in. I did also have Baba yesterday. I bought it yesterday, but um, I kind of just sold out of it as we came back to my average, basically at the bottom. Um, oh well, stuff happens. I should have been more patient with it, admittedly, but was just a bit tilted with my other trade and just wanted more momentum reset. If you look at some semiconductors, which had nice moves yesterday, like AMD, just picked up on the downside. I seen people were getting long yesterday, and they're all stopped out today if they're disciplined. Nvidia also some weakness yesterday, which was weird, relative weakness, and today a pickup on the downside. So that's just kind of the market we're in. You can also look at like a Microsoft, which is down like 10 days in a row, and this is starting to look bad. Um, we had earnings on this day, um, and just sold right away, and then we had earnings on this day, and rejects this left side peak and could roll back down. Um, the one thing I did think was a little interesting was this STNE. It had actually earnings, which I did check, and gapping down. Cool. Um, Honestly, this market is rewarding almost the short side, Unfortunately, I wasn't really position short. Um, could do a better job with that next time, but yeah. For me, I don't really see too much happening. I see, an Iron just kind of chopping up here, Cipher getting sold to just Palantir, nice flat base breakout, and then the earnings ruins the trade. Was actually long this thing. Um, yeah, so just kind of the poor action in the markets to get long right now. I am staying away. Um, yeah, that's kind of just my thoughts on today. Honestly, not anything stood out to me per se. I did think some of the coal names were acting well, like we have an HCC. Nice pickup on earnings today. Um, and crude oil itself isn't even acting so well. So that's just something to think about. Like CNR, another one getting picked up today. Is it anything special? I don't know. It's possible. A par too looks pretty dang good. Like another oil coal name, whatever it is. But these things are starting to look decent. I don't really want to own these things. They're very slow. They move pretty slow, and maybe we're just like used to this crazy double digit moves every day. But I personally don't like want to own these names, but they could go higher. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. We'll be back tomorrow to check in, and yeah.